Hey guys, we received this Mr. Pen pencil box sets for test and try. There are 4 packs, assorted colors, plastic pencil box cases. These are pencil case for the crayon boxes, pencil case for kids or any other use. So they are clear pencil cases. Now let me just open. So they are like a 4 pack. It's around 4 inches in the width and 8.5 inches in the length. Each box is around 1.9 inches in height, and they are solid. Um, the hard case pencil cases, so it's nice quality as you can see it here. So 2 hooks on the side, so to secure the things properly, and then put in the stuff with a transparent or the clear cover so you can see what's inside. The box is also transparent and clear with a nice color top and the white thing on the top. So there are the nice pencil boxes where you can put in your stuff with a transparent design, and then storing organizing is easy with the really nice design and the colors. So nice quality pencil boxes with the hard cases and nice colors to store your stuff. Overall, a nice set for the 4 different colors inside.